Hello, my name is Sam Delat, and I am a freshman in the first year engineering program, getting ready to transition into computer engineering. And I am from Plano, Texas. And so I'm here today to talk about why I chose Purdue and sort of the process behind that. So I was first introduced to Purdue. I started going to college fairs my sophomore year in the Dallas Fort Worth area, and I was looking for schools that had a good engineering program. So you hop on Google and you look up schools with a good engineering program, and sure enough, Purdue makes pretty high up on that list. So I was at this college fair and I went up to Purdue and I met the representative for my area and just started chatting with her. And I was interested. I mean, the school sounded like they had everything I needed, everything I wanted out of a college experience. But I really didn't feel like I would get to experience Purdue until I went and visited and talked to current students. Jump forward to the summer before my senior year. So this was in June. And so I go up to Purdue and I check it out, and I enjoyed campus. I thought it was nice. Met with some students, and they all had positive things to say. I met with some members of the marching band, which is something I do currently, and talked to them, about why they picked Purdue and how their experience has been. And then I think really everything started coming together in March of my senior year. It's crazy, I had wrapped up a tour at another school in Ohio, and I had I left that visit thinking that's the school I was going to go to. Like 100%, I talked with my parents, and I think that's the place for me. And so I get to Purdue, and I go through, a visit day, and I met with current students. I learned sort of more about like what classes I'd be taking and what that looks like, and I got a feel for the students around me, and that was just a place where I was just overwhelmed by like how awesome everyone is, and like I felt like the atmosphere at a university like Purdue was unmatched, unparalleled from any school I had ever visited up to that point. The amount of school spirit everyone has, the amount of energy everyone has about what they're doing and what they're passionate about is really exciting, and it's really interesting because I'll meet people from around the world doing something I didn't even know existed, and I think that's really exciting. One of my cousins said they go to Wisconsin, and they said it's about a Big Ten atmosphere. And I think Purdue, embodies that, not only athletically, having a successful basketball team and a football program that's getting some work done, um, but I think it's a Big Ten atmosphere in the sense where everyone's united towards making their college experience memorable, and after college, making sure they got the most out of it. And for me, like getting to experience that while on campus was really really cool, and it's something I continue to experience at campus. So that's sort of a little bit as to why I chose Purdue and why I'm excited to continue to call myself a Boilermaker. Thanks.